just join us now. Welcome once more, our ex-commissioner. You're welcome once more. So, like say, the network done better small now.
I don't reach the hotel already.
So before we come now,
you won't go young balance be before for the other side, the other
video. Don't be small thing. Don't be small thing. So now the question that we say, we would like to ask you one question because that language Dr. Rosa is not too clear like that, you know. So as we say, you now, you don't operate as Commissioner of Art and Culture. We would like you to tell us what will be the areas where we say we as Edo State people supposed to work on what it concern Edo heritage for our culture. What you think say supposed to work on before we come from your side now? As people will be saying they for government side, will be saying they move this, they carry this matter waka. What do we now as Edo State people supposed to do to bring this image of Edo cultural heritage come out?
My brother, let me thank you so much for all the hard work they do, all that they do for that side. They promote Edo culture and promote our great Oba of Benin, Omonoba Edo, Ukua Polopolo, Paeware the second, Nogidiga. Oba Atokbe. As a proud Benin, God bless us well with our cultural heritage. We plenty. Because the small time we spend there as commissioner for culture, art and culture, my eyes see many things. And we even know say history, our culture, our heritage, they very rich. Where we God to bless Edo people. If you read the history of India, history of Oba Eware, Oba all the Obas, everything they there. Where Queen India cook for Edo warriors for Onome community. Down the heritage side where I be mark out, say make me fence to protect the land. And the place where you cook for them, the clay pot where you cook for them for over 500 years ago, the pieces of the pots today there. Where Prince Arouan bury Mama, the hut we bury Mama for Norme community, that one still there. Where
from come?
No, Norme you come from. Udo, okay. Udo, yes.
Exactly.
Where Prince Arouan still used to take block water when he say water kill the dog. He's still there for near Kiadolo there. We still go look that place that time. Then if you go for Orion side, you see Ezenugbe. For there, where we say where they call them when you do bad, you go back for that river, you get forgiveness. Where we they plan to put island. That one there for Sapomba village. Then so many things, even for Benin there, our palace na heritage site. By this man, a chief of Senegay Bon heritage site. That's why I be commissioner. We carry ambassador, American ambassador go, carry German ambassador come there, carry better, plenty people come there. So we get the letter of heritage that we got, they bless us where a mountain statue. All those are our history. You know, we be say Edo people get. So we need to work more to support one of you give down and to support, collaborate with government. Because still good say we get better governor. Obaseki, where we say he know the value of our culture and our heritage. When he be say that time, the first time we will come there, he make that one the systematic pillars of the government. So now make us prosper, work well to see say Edo culture go up. That time when I be commissioner. So by the time he constitute the cabinet now, he still bring commissioner for art and culture come, and I go work with them. Whoever he bring come there, when the governor fee say go fee put for them to work, and I go work with them to support them. Because only government alone not go fit do all the work. This is our own, this is our heritage. Now what God take bless us be that because there plenty well. So now the best thing is to collaborate with them, but again, now to know who God will put for them, they want to work with the ministry. Hopefully by the grace of God, they go fit still try. As we still try when we do there.
Obviously, what you do well. But now, you don't say so kind of things happen as I first talked before for this new time. When you say you take day there, when you say cause what they call break in transmission. So as the matter be now, we would like if you tell us to kind of small wahala because we know say you get plan before this kind of thing can happen. Because I would hear different when matter happen like this, so the money, This one will bring your own story. The other one will bring your own story. So now we come thank God say you really respect say you want to call meet us for our studio today, talk to us. You feel use smart take talk so can't teach you this thing. It happen and what if say come make the problem be like that.
First of all, let me thank all of you for diaspora, for all the prayers. They pray for me when that thing happened to me. I thank everybody well because now only God bring me come out from that big problem where my enemy be there. I thank Una well for all the prayer because I can't read social media, see the way Una stand for me, for prayers. Although we still get some people who don't understand what thing happen, or they all begin to prepare to carry your story, they waka, come they to call me tiffy, laundry, money laundry, and things will never happen. So now when they still they do social media, make Una try to get facts, before now begin talk about people. Very important because that thing will cause a lot of problem for that person and the stress for your family. Because but anything you put for social media, they come out for there again for life. So make we be very careful. And once as we do this one too, since 72 hours, you don't go around the whole world and you don't come out for there again. And when you don't talk like, it even make you lose credibility. Because next time when you begin to talk, people don't go listen to you say, because you not get information, you just hear something when they talk for them. And yesterday say they arrest me for money laundering. That's why I carry $2 million for France. That's so God will not say they follow me, he run, leave me. So many things will never happen. Or say I do crime before when I never be commissioner. After 9, they come arrest me because of that crime. So I just tired. So, but thank the people who pray for me because only God carry me go there. And God carry me go there, go open my eye to see what thing they happen to our brothers and sisters for Italy. They'll pack them, put for there, say they be mafia. We not get mafia for Nigeria. Even though some of these people, they do, whether narcotics, not so I support cultism, or they sell it both for the street, or they do credit card fraud. If you arrest them, make you prosecute them for the crime which they commit. Not be say you will carry the highest Italian mafia criminal code, where they call 416Bs, can they put for Nigeria head, because they collect money for the European Union, say they fight mafia. We not get mafia for Nigeria. Even these boys will be cultists, where they do cultists. Me, I don't tell the tire, say, it's not good. So, but in another way, still carry mafia Article 416B called they put for their head. Put them for long-term prison and for the crime where they not commit. If you look at Article 416B for mafia, now for real Italian mafias, where we say get to do with importation and exploitation of gun, importation and exploitation of drug, prostitution, human trafficking, kidnapping, extortion, and killing. All those ones might be the Article 416. And it must be organized crime. Not be one thing when person they do individual crime. They will be organized. They will see that they do the thing and they get evidence before you use and charge person. But that will not happen. So my own case now, the case for one charity organization meeting where I go for Italy for 2013. Now the prosecutor can't carry proof for heads in a mafia organization, a criminal organization. They say that they do. He record the meeting. Thank God say he record them all because if I would not record that, the matter for hard me. He record the meeting, all the things we talk for that 3 hours, he carry and come cut. When he want translator and I can't go there, join, what he would not talk, everything add and join case.
Okay.
They investigate Italian people, our boys for Italy, for over 5 years for the case file. And he can't show say for the case file, say he did their telephone for 5 years. He entered their house, follow they do everything where they do. Can't say the matter. Now, mafia organization, Nigerian mafia organization. Only in Sito say na individual crime for chapter 2 to chapter 9 for the case file. And only in still talk say na individual crime. He give those individuals 3 years. So when you come be the organization or the association crime, when you can carry mafia put for our head. Then he can't say me and the mafia kingpin, and maybe the Oga Parapata, because this is second they travel. They go from one country to another, they thought diaspora matter. So now, God, we go through for 18 months. Those boys, they not get money to take lawyer. Now he go still give them government lawyer, still control the lawyer against them. content they say they plead guilty. They plead guilty now, he give them 7 years, 8 years, 9 years for prison for crime where they not commit. As me come challenge am, God dey my side because of my person and my people and all of una wey they pray for me and the support where governor give me. I come visit challenge them. Say, okay, now me not go do short trial, now long trial I won't do. Make you bring the criminal, the evidence of your crime against me. Now prosecutor go carry one manual, say na the way he forge, say na the manual where the association they do crime with this. That's your Oga prosecutor. You say I be Oga Patapata for mafia where they do gun, they sell gun, they sell cocaine, they do prostitution, they do human trafficking, they do kidnapping. You not see even one person where complain come out say now waiting now in them do on to either by those boys in Italy or myself. No telephone communication or communication between me and those people. So what they come in my own crime. And when we look the manual, now he go forge out with two Nigerian boys, no Sayaba Iyare. Those of them where they stay Italy. No Sayaba Iyare, what they call her?
No Sayaba Iyare.
No Sayaba Iyare, I think they say they stay for Novara. Now him, the criminal, where they go to pick people for streets.
Yeah.
No Sayaba Iyare, what they call her? And Geoffrey Thomas Omorege, what they call Oscar for Bologna. Now two of them, the prosecutor can't carry proof for hand. Say they be collaborator of justice. They take pick Nigerians, they lie against Nigerians. Now Geoffrey Thomas Omorege and the prosecutor and police go forge the Green Bible. He can't make his brother poster from Nigeria. Police come, they say they intercept the DHL details. Now, instead go tell police, say they want post one Green Bible from Nigeria come. As they carry the Green Bible, they say they photostat, they post onto the person for Rome. Now my lawyer say, why not go arrest the person where they post onto for Rome? They not fit talk. They say that they do investigation. After investigation, why not arrest them? So the question plenty, the judge can't tire for the prosecutor saying, now wayo. Now they do since. So I think
you do well. For this one, let me say you use Martin touch. So now, as that before that wahala happen, because we say we hear say you get area where so you dey go before, so you travel go before. You fit tell us because we get some little questions or little interpretation where people different like to talk and say most of things happen. You not be like say where you can't hear from. That's where they say happen to. And that one will call open the whole chapter and say as a bill. As the matter be, where you be the go that time when it happened?
Okay. The Nigerian ambassador to Germany, Ambassador Yusuf Tuga, now he invite me to Berlin. He says some Oyibo people get some of the artifacts when they want to return. And he considered invitation to me. My friend will be commissioner for local government at Twitter State Affairs that time, Model Saibobo, and 4 other people where they follow me, they work how they go. So now the meeting now will be they go for Berlin to discuss of those artifacts. Where they
you do well. Because one will get that one straight, they say, now they say come tell us now say, not be say just they carry the travel. Because the news they say some people go talk and say he just travel. After I say they go different places. You sure say you get reason why you travel. So now we'll come back to where we say we start again. Because we talk about say why you did travel before. Now what if you say consign this Edo artifact? Now what if you say move you travel with that one? So this artifact issue, how you be done carriage for the matter?
No, see the artifact matter not be waiting person go begin to discuss. It don't tell where they don't they do the artifact since. It don't tell some individuals don't they pursue them on their own. Some government officials don't they do them. Even our monobande do ku apolopolo by Eware the second no gidig, and when he be crown prince, he pursue some on meetings, go Sweden, go London, go some other places that time too. So then governor come again, governor set up committee for this matter, where we say they visit, they go Austria, they go Germany, they go other places to discuss the matter. So not be only me. My own that time I just say, okay, as commissioner for culture, I can't enter the matter too. So 2018, Edo Fest, where we do, I can't go Germany, call this one German man where don't they do this case for 25 years. He contact me for Benin. So he can't give me pictures of those artifacts for where they did, all the museum where they did for the world, the ones where they did for America, where they did for London, Berlin, all those places. He can't give me 1,000 of those pictures. I give him money on. So as I pay him, he can't give me the pictures and their current location for the museum where they did. Like that Queen mask, where would they carry? They go now 5 be the original ones where they carry for 1897. 2 of them day for British Museum for London. 1 day for Liverpool. Then 2 day for America. Metropolitan Museum for New York. So those original, I can't know various ones where they did for all the museum because this man don't do this research, you don't do this documentary on these artifacts. So 2018, when the Monoba they do Igwe Festival and the coronation anniversary, coronation anniversary, the Igwe Festival for 2018 for December. So we can't do exhibition. I can't make this artifact, the picture big, where Omonoba can't give me space for inside palace for there to do exhibition of this 1,000 of the artifacts. So all the visitors will come palace, I can't carry them go there. So the governor, everything, I even commissioned at that time to let the world know, say, we know where this artifact is. So all the visitors will come with, this one day for New York, this one day for London, this one day for Berlin. This one. So when they go back, they're going to tell them, you bought Tiffy. This thing belongs to Benin people. We see the photo exhibition that time. That's our own contribution as government to raise more awareness. Social media carry on. Do you understand? So that's our own contribution to raise more awareness of that artifact matter. So I did not say Germans don't agree, say they will bring the ones we deal with them, about 1,000 come home, so that we will feel get put up for here, make our children know our history. And the Monoba still talk and say that time, some still did that side because they go stand as ambassador for Edo people. Like now, if you go down New York now, when you see that one way for a day for Metropolitan Museum for New York, you go no say, this one will come from Benin. It they represent Benin with that. So person we never know about Benin before come look and say, this one are Benin. Where Benin Day? Benin Day for Nigeria, West Africa for Nigeria. What still happen? They go come tell the story. That make Omonoba say, we not even do all of them. They make some day that side, make them bring money come back. So I know say by the grace of God, talk about media, this and that, everything go die down. So that this issue of the artifact will come back and we'll get back for our state.
You do well. Because you don't see just now, say, because many people don't understand, as I talked about just now before, say, this man travel. Why he travel? Where be they go? What is that? And now today, don't make it clear, say, now the matter where it concern Edo State cultural heritage, now make you be traveled to. So as we get for our house here, this our brother will be saying our activities too. For what be say concern art and culture, we go like make it saying get what be say want to ask too. Our brother Bakari, what do you get from mind? Maybe say you talk say you want to ask our ex-commissioner for here.
Mr. Ero, welcome you.
Thank you.
I'll be Bakari Henry, like I talked before, from Udo, Wonaro Akere.
What?
Unfortunately, we say I don't forget my background as Arwan because that is my logo. So,
okay.
Osakwero. You see, I don't where they can make happy to say the head will go wear crown no matter how many times. The muhil will go wear crown no matter how many times where elephants take left match up, it will still grow. Go get crown. And when we see this thing happen that time, I say, let us hear. No, we hear from our Obonga governor. He don't talk. You're not a person. Not the person where they talk plenty. You know, they own any bit more explanation because he don't talk with you. Want to talk with you, and even if you like a believer, the truth you don't talk him. So we got our prayer. Thank God, so we see not say all of us pray, but a lot of things happen along the prayer because of some people they want to take. Because I be community leader here, president of Nigeria community in my own state, Lodi and Pavia, the president of Milan, and the national member of the national. We do everything to make sure we see you. We not see you. Most of us not see you because of protocol. Protocol don't come to plenty. You know, say protocol. So, what it can make me be say, I know. You know, make my mind small because when I come to listen to press release. Say about 300 Nigerians there for jail for Italy. We say they be innocent. What do me first I say that one on that statement? More than 300 Nigerians there. Now how many will you see? Maybe that one. When you come the interest me part say the people where you see now what they tell you now you believe. Not be waiting you know. Now you believe. True. Many of them they will be say they be innocent. When of people say they be innocent. Me just want to know now the way they take interact with you, where they take the talk say them themselves say they be innocent of so and so crime, so and so crime. Because Italian government, not be like Nigerian government, for example, I'm unapologetically, because they not be the, but then there's the similarity feed there for some area. But they want to know because the area where you cover up, because the reason why I be say they ask now be say maybe for know where we go fit come inside because we want to work with you. And a lot, even before you even come to see today, I don't even talk to a lot of people, even back to Benin, to the SMBC, they don't even refer me back to SSG. Maybe say we want to talk about a lot of things because of people where they pride themselves, say they be members of Edo State Task Force in Italy. So maybe say, I know say the former commissioner, I don't know. Maybe say, I'm not sure say inaugurate anybody for Italy before that time. So I want you to tell us how your conversation with them, how not they converse, how not they talk, how the area where they be. Then maybe we move from there. We'll talk in a very few and a short this thing.
Thank you very much, my brother. You know, say when I talk about the 300 Nigerians, say that they're innocent of the crime, of the allegation.
Yeah.
I know they talk say they be 100% innocent of what they do. They do, some of them they sell marijuana for street. Some of them they do credit card fraud according to the prosecutor and the case file. The prosecutor they pack these people, say they be cultists, some of them whether they be a year, be mafia or all those associations.
Yeah.
Then the innocent, why I say that they're innocent of the allegation. Now because of what me know and as a victim, say they be mafia. Article 416B of the Italian Mafia Criminal Code. It is not proven. It is not proven. Let me say this way, some of them they pull up for small thing. If they do marijuana, they sell marijuana or they fight. If you sell marijuana, may they arrest them and prosecute them for marijuana sales. Not before 416Bs, where they go take hold the same Italian. Where be saying they go see 200 million, 100 million, a truckload of drug for their house or their whatever. Then you cost to use a whole common Nigeria for street. Do you understand?
Yeah, they understand.
That one is not proven because they use and they collect money from European Union so that they fight mafia. Yes, some of these boys, I leave school 30 years ago. I not be cultist, I not be mafia. Make them not outside the defender, and they government they fight against them well. So I don't even understand why they go still go Italy or go abroad, go still go to do those things where they do there. I'm not part of it. I don't encourage it and I don't support it. But what I'm saying, what they talk, we say that article, my brother, you did for Italy, Article 416, they'll come arrest 50 Nigerians, come do propaganda, show for television. When they pause them, they will say Nigerian mafia. What did they show? They will show paper. Now paper they say they do mafia. When they pause the Italian mafia, they will show 100 millions of euro. They will show gun, show everything. And at the same article 416, then they hold people. 28th of October, 70 Nigerians were arrested. I'm sure you are aware. What did they show for television? Because I did that.
2020.
28th
of October 2020.
October 28th or October 20. 28th. I
28th, that is what he's saying. So now,
let me finish. 70 Nigerians were arrested. Those boys now they start their trial on the 17th of September next month. They start their trial.
Where they for arrest them?
Torino, Bologna, and other places. And again, I see her for television. So they can't carry some of the conjoin, about 15 of the conjoin me for Torino prison that time. What did they show for television? Kitchen knife. That be the mafia where they arrest. 70. April 21st, 51 Nigerians arrested in Bari. 51 plus 70, how many be that? 130 something. You did that now, write them down. Oh, go Torino Chronicle. Torino Chronicle. 26th of September 2020. Google them. Page 8. 20 Nigerians sentenced to 140 years with this forged green Bible, where this prosecutor will prick against me, where my judge don't dispatch to say it's not correct. How many be that? 70 plus 20 plus 40, 70. How many be that? 140. My own case file, where the prosecutor bring, are 53 Nigerians, 9 days. How many be that, my brother? When I did go, the people where they carry for Bari, another set, where they extradited these boys from Germany, about 6 of them. Their case file, they were 62 Nigerians. The one where they for Sicily different. This one where these 70 Nigerians where they arrest for October, so Bologna, they drag their matter saying that they get case. Torino, they drag saying that they get case. That the first time prosecution, that the first, at 2 states could they drag the same people at the same time because of the money where they come from the European Union. How many I don't count for you, so I get the dates here. And I get the calculation. My brother, the reason why I'm saying this is because I made a vow in prison that God will release me from that problem. I will fight for these innocent people. I'm not saying they are all innocent of petty crime they are doing there. The ones that you arrest that is selling marijuana, prosecuted for sales of marijuana. The ones that were fighting or doing anything, arrest them and prosecute them. Whether they are even cultists in Nigeria, they are not up to that Italian Mafia Criminal Code 416B that the prosecutor is using to pack them in prison and give them a minimum of 5 years. It is not done. That is not justice.
Honorable Commissioner, thank you. Honorable Commissioner, thank you. Again, one thing where we say, I want to make you know, because I know say you don't take land here. Now, what did they tell you? Or what you think say you know, now you think. Apart from say, and true say many people be innocent, and they always they get interest for that one. You know, say if we will describe mafia, we will describe courts. They get matrimony. Like all these mafias, for example, we talk in the clear language where we say the layman we hear. They call them mafia. All of them get their own different courts. All of them be courtists, and the activities that can be mafia. And it can be say our people for Italy, the activities can even be like that their own, and that is why we don't work plenty times. Can they investigate them? Because me and the life for Afro Life magazine here. And just recently, I joined Obaland TV, the magazine department too. I don't investigate a lot of them. So these are people. Most of them, these Italians, they operate on their own courts. We have different. We have Napoli, we have Sicilian, we have all of them. But all of them, they do their own activities. Now they become mafia. And okay, people can come now. When they say they still get their own. What they call their own fraternity, and the activity come like that of mafia. Me, my eye don't see plenty, my brother. My eye don't see plenty. When we say our Nigerians, they kidnap themselves. They take gun. They take gun now. They kill themselves. The people were involved for that area. May they charge you for that area. And that's why that area. Me, I support you. The reason why we say me, I don't confidently support you to 100%. They say, not be all of them tell you the tell you the truth. Not be all of them tell you the truth. So now what did you hear? Now you
no, my brother, all this is why I tell you so. Not be waiting they tell me. I get the papers and at the same charge when they take charge me. Me will be say I not live for Italy, I not stay for Italy.
Okay.
only because I come meeting for 2013 and the prosecutor investigate the meeting. He said the man fight. Now what he talk?
Not fine.
The charity meeting where I come from, now GCA. So he can't say the GCA now cover up for Mafia because some members of the Mafia they say they be GCA. And not because I leave school 30 years ago. I even I know they do all those things. Even the GCA in 2014, I don't remove hand because of other things why they do.
So,
But again,
now,
wait, let me finish. On the 29th of May, Judge Paulo Gallo, the judge where predict my case, where release me, don't say even the Mafia or the GCA, it is not a mafia association, that the prosecutor could not prove it. Do you understand? Because yes, you call and call, give whatever Nigerian mafia, it does not have the characteristics to be able to have that 416B, Article 416B. That is the difference. So if a judge, which is now a reference point, my case is a reference point now. So if you know anybody where they hold for Nigerian mafia, tell them make it reach my lawyer, make them use my case as a reference. So they're not going to feel they talk, they classify Article 416B. They get mafia, they get association delinquency for Italy. I know that one. So this one, if they fight, they're supposed to put them as association delinquency, maybe say dangerous association. If it did not reach the level of the 416Bs. 416Bs now, the organized criminal, all those drug getter, all those people where you know. Because those ones, they organize, they get people where they go pay money to, they get as they organize themselves. But these are our Nigerians, where they go fight for street, when don't know their left from their right. Now you call they call organized crime.
so now,
And I'm a victim. You understand? This is not what they told me. I have the paper. The prosecutor, as they carry me a name that time, they say, I may be a guy for GCA, I be for this one. Then the same file, this 70 people where you arrest, as they bring their come, I look their case, he removed where he put my name, he put the process Okema. He removed where he put GCA, he put non-smoke club. Meanwhile, the GCA, the non-smoke club, they register for it, they give you certificate of registration, they have the list of the members. So if you say that mafia, why you register them? Why you can't arrest everybody? The boys where they fight, so may they arrest them, prosecute them. The boys where they sell it, go, may they arrest them, prosecute them according to the law, Italian law, where it concern Igbo. Not going to carry 416Bs, when they put for person head.
so now, like what you just talked now, because before we will take people back to get from the call. Now, this issue now, because we know say get Nigerian embassy here, because we know now say the kind of you now they try to assist these our brothers and our sisters when you talk about just now, say because of this issue where we say concern the innocency of what they say it's not supposed to be the way it's supposed to be. So now, this issue now, you will tell us now, say the embassy, when we say the Nigerian embassy here, what team be their intake for this matter?
Because, my brother Oberland, you know, say as Nigerian, first of all, once they arrest you for Oyibo, they'll say you do the crime. They will all profile you. So
Yes.
Oyibo Italians don't capitalize on that one, say all Nigerians, all of us will be criminals.
Very well.
If you even look at the report of the Italian people, they say they have over 100 and something thousand male in Italy. And out of that 100 and something thousand, 100,000 are member of cultists, which were lies. They don't profile all of us. They go sit down for your phone. Anybody where they talk to, the next day they don't arrest you. Like I say, my brother, make you tell people, I know say you will know people where they this Nigeria, where they problem. My case stand a reference point. Say this mafia or this association not reach the 416Bs. It not also not be association delinquent. So, and even tell us any member of this association will commit crime, maybe they arrest that person. Not be say they'll begin fine everybody. I want to do protest next week on the 26th for Lagos in front of Italian embassy to raise awareness. Let the world know say we not get Nigerian mafia. And this Article 416B is where Italians they use in a fraud because they collect money from European Union. I'm a victim. And then they look into the matter because I go send letter to the Minister of Justice for Italy, the Minister of Internal Affairs, the Minister of Foreign Affairs, and the Italian ambassador to Nigeria. So we will submit the letters to them. May they look into this matter. And I will put the date of the appeal of those 20 Nigerians where they sentenced to 140 years. With the date, 20th of September, now they want to do the appeal. They don't do 2 years for prison already. So that may they look into the matter. The 17 Nigerians where they arrest to October, then they start their trial on the 17th of September. May they look into the matter. By the time we do this, may they refer to my case so that they're not going to arrest these people as mafia, that 416Bs. And anybody who commit crime among them, may they prosecute them according to the crime where they commit. My brother, that is my claim.
Thank you very much.
I just leave the office of this woman now, Honorable Abike Dabiri, who is the chairperson of the Nigerian Diaspora Commission. Go explain to her and go tell her, say what did happen with a press conference. Yesterday, I was with the Inspector General of Police himself. Go tell her, say what happened to me. Now, my fundamental human right to express how I feel. As they release me, so I can come back and face my life. But I made vow to God, say, I'm not going to let those innocent people suffer for crime where they not commit. Because I know what their papa, their mama, their wives, their brothers, their sisters, their parents, they suffer. Because some of them are breadwinners for their family. Like I said, those one way do crime inside, may they prosecute them all. Obviously, all of them free. I know what my papa and my mama suffer, my wife and my children. So it is not good for us to keep quiet. It is not good for us to be profiled as Nigerians. It's not good for us to just carry people put for prison, say they be mafia. Yes, as you understand, the drug getter and all those other ones, those crimes where those people they commit, fear let these boys. Are they even as organized to do those crimes, my brother? They're not. The millions that they see for those people and the extortion what those people they do for government. I mean, how many of the Nigerians they do it? Even if they do it within their community, may they arrest those boys, may they prosecute them.
Thank you very much. So the issue that we say, our embassy now, because we know now, say, as we they push force now, even now in the protest on the 26th of this month, now our embassy, what will be their contribution to this matter?
Oberland, my brother, I am very, very disappointed with our Minister of Foreign Affairs. I know they hide them. You understand? I know they hide them. And I tell them just now, say, because when they arrest me for December, as I called the ambassador for Germany, say, see what happened, he called a colleague for Holland, Ugofa Oji. That one immediately tell the director of consular, they come see me, talk to my lawyers, did everything. The ambassador himself come see me for Holland that time. Then he talked to a get lawyer. They tried to give me bail as senior government official. The governor carried phone, because I talked to governor from detention center. He carried phone, call minister, tell him, say, my commissioner, they arrest him, and he tell me, say, he not commit any crime. And I believe him. I beg, make una support him. If a senior government official like myself, they say they arrest me, I not get support from the foreign affairs minister or even the embassy, what will be the fate of the ordinary Nigerian?
Good.
As they transfer me go Italy. The Yusuf, where they there before, the counterpart for Holland, Richard, because they transfer, send my file to them. I don't hear, not even one visit, not even one letter, not even phone call. I will send the email, tell them, say, the judge approved my request, say, make embassy contact me. Because I get British passport too. I will send requests to British embassy and Nigerian embassy. The next 2 days, the ambassador for British embassy for Rome come see me for prison. They send me books, they send everything. They came home like 4 times, check about my welfare, my health, and make sure, say, I get good representative. They check my lawyer out to see whether I'm a better lawyer or not. They contact my family. Throughout that period, they send me books. I'm not here from Nigeria. Only when governor call write them again for May, when they look for an apartment for me, they come, they run letter scatter. They come say, who want pay? That governor say, we not get space for embassy. He will personally pay for the apartment. I'm not here from them, my brother. That person,
Are you talking of Nigerian embassy in Italy or in France?
I don't get it to do with France. I don't go France. But you tell me France.
The Nigerian embassy in Italy.
Yes, you know.
The good of that, because that is where that Nigeria will get interest, and they will get interest
I
more.
don't have anything to do with France. I was not arrested in France. I was not extradited to France. I was nothing to do with France and $2 million, my brother. I was
Because-
arrested in Amsterdam and extradited to Rome on the 21st of February, 2020.
I beg, I want to ask you one question, sir. You
Oh,
know,
Lord, now,
you know when the president where you know when my guy were called himself the president of Nigeria, National Union of Nigeria Associations in Italy, and then one man were called himself the Edo State representative of human trafficking in Italy. You see any of them?
what is their name?
One be Sam Hodge. Sam Hodge, Naibo guy, say that time where that time in the National Union of Nigeria Association in Italy.
He said, see me.
No, because they tell us they make up for some of their reports say they did inside the matter. Another one where call himself Michael Pute, where he say being Edo State representative of human trafficking in Italy. But then, I think that about that in Italy, I think that should be part of your
What do you name?
Michael Pute. As we speak now, he's listening to us because I forced him to listen to this broadcast.
He said he saw me.
He said they were working on the issue because he was the one who released. A press conference after your press conference where he said everything you said was a lie. So because I'm investigating this, that's why I have to ask you this question. As we speak now, he's listening to us.
Very good.
I'm expecting him to write now, except he's ashamed or he's afraid to listen because
No, I don't have anything to hide. I did not get any phone call or letter or support from the Italian embassy.
From Italian,
Yes.
no support from the Nigeria embassy, no support from the Nigeria Association in Italy.
I didn't get any support from them.
I did not even see any of their visits.
No visit, no letter, no phone call.
Okay.
There was one time my wife said somebody contacted her from Italian embassy, from the Nigerian embassy in Rome, and asked that, okay, even if they get an apartment, who is going to pay? Because there was one guy, whether Yusuf, that works with us with the Professor Yika Morebe, who is a friend. I've forgotten his name now. He was the one that he would look for the apartment and was not asking for money to pay. My wife forwarded the email that the governor said to them that the governor said he would pay. But that one was not even forthcoming. Nobody contacted me personally. My lawyers were frustrated with the cooperation of the Italian embassy in Rome. There was one guy, Bello, who was working with the lawyers. Bello actually tried to work with the lawyers, but he was frustrated as well because there was no directive from the foreign affairs minister on the ambassador to assist.
I pray Mr. Bello is watching this program now.
So
I pray he's bugging. I pray he's watching this program now because
I heard about Bello.
Yeah, I think I've seen him once the day. I think I saw him on the 10th of July.
I've not met him, but in his own capacity, he was trying to work to do things for my wife and my lawyers from London.
Yeah.
But after some time, the lawyers in Italy became frustrated. No support.
English for you know the Nabi go Igbo because the person who got about the
even before this broadcast, I even don't interact with Professor Yinka Morukbe.
Okay.
One of these people where we say they talk say then they on ground that time, and the woman talk say they not issue not know anything about them at all.
God bless you.
So I think if so that kind of stuff.
Mr. Bakari, you do well for this matter. You say you bring come beside this issue. We say we dey talk so. So the matter now be say we don't say now say people will be say they listen to us. They just say hear from the horse's mouth. And I hear when they talk now for balance say people talk to people and people understand.
And people they understand.
So now we don't say now say even what you talk now prove many for what you talk because when you talk up, you know what they look name. Say because of this name I consider you they talk about the name.
I've been victim. I know they look good for date. I know they look good for name. I be victim.
So now, despite saying we dey call you as Commissioner of Art and Culture, things 50 days we say you 50 do for Edo State. But now, as it be say the matter now, because I talk just now say you get plans and you get things wey say you want do wey concern the states before this breaking in transmission, as I used that English before, for come inside. But now, if for instance, because we know say so many carnivals, so many events wey concern Edo State, that wey concern this art and culture, and we know say another person don dey this time wey be say dem go still contact. I sure say na you now they go still contact, because even with the way they talk, it shows say that person will say you get open mind, will be say they accept or receive anybody. The thing that be say, if for instance now say they decide now say these our brothers, we go patronize and we go compensate them. For instance, make it help us, because we already start this issue of how to organize this our Edo State cultural heritage. What do you get for mind now? And when you say you go, how fast you go give our youth too concerning all these issues we the talk since?
Yes, yes.
My brother, before you answer that question, I want to ask the former commissioner one question. And this question, you know, if you avoid them, whether you like them or not. And I'm very, very traditional, cultural. And there's no way you can avoid it. Now, Mr. Mosigo, they ask you a question now, because I don't know whether you remember I said we celebrated those state at 30. I don't know whether you remember.
Who, me? Or Mosigo or Balan?
Now you talk to.
I didn't see you now.
Oh, they see us, but you not be part of them. Because when you were, I never finished the honorable commissioner. We're not the pity for anybody for here. Now,
Bakari, if you do sports for prison where I do, you go pity for me.
That was another thing. When we talk of culture, I know they forgive anybody.
Okay, go on.
Okay,
go on.
You'll be former commissioner, and you know, say they come program where Baland operate today. And you know, say we they celebrate for diaspora today, we they celebrate 30 years of Edo State. 30 years plus. And our commissioner where they say before, if they come to our celebration TV today, you wear English wear. How we go take no so you go feel presented very well. You tell us that one.
Oh, now me they talk.
And I talk, no another person.
Now native I will.
Your shadow. No, this one I draw weird, and this one not the Benin.
Oh, native yeah. A kaftan you them move you.
So it shows say honorable activists, it shows say today matter you don't feel like, because why? You should have say it be like say as he enter, now a quick change am to and say today in the face of Baba TV today. So it don't go maybe say he they put all time. It could make him work according to that.
No, even this one not even represented do at all. I refuse to agree with you, honorable commissioner. Anyway, answer the question. You can answer the question now without apology.
So what I have to say, as the whole chicken day now, for this our Edo cultural heritage, because we know say they try to promote them, and the areas where you don't enter to treat, we should say as our majesty for the monarch that side, our governor, as they try to put her together, bring all these things back. We know say that for them to know say at the end of the day, our children, all of them come to say Edo State, they really get a culture too. So now the matter now be say, when will they talk about this issue since? We know say as a commissioner of art and culture, when things you personally fit tell our youth, we will help them for this issue of art and culture, because we don't see you don't see travel to, and you see the kind of way we say all these things they help even the foreign land where we see what the first when they get problems. So what do you feel?
Thank you very
much.
Thank you very much.
They listen to us now. Maybe another advice for them too, making for say another side too.
Who be that?
I said maybe our governor too got that and talk. If they stay here now, maybe through this one,
yes.
He will still know say, this man get this thing from night before. Make it tell us.
No. First of all the plenty work we do for Edo State. You know, so I first can just now say, His Excellency Governor Godwin Obaseki, now God nice and come. Because when they form the government that time, before he even appoint us as commissioner, he'd already get 6 cardinal points of his focus. Say this now the area where you want to concentrate on. Do you understand? Education, number 1. Where you say don't carry first or Edo best program. Health, number 2. Where we say you don't try say every poor man will get health and medical treatment for here, healthcare system. Then environment, they there. All those forestry and even the roads and environment, they. Then infrastructure, they there. You see physical planning and infrastructure. All our offices, like I talked that time when I talked in my former office as commissioner there, fine past buildings for London and for America. Talk less of Italy. Maybe say, you know, Italy, we still under Italy in our old country. So the way Oga build this place, he find past those offices. Then Oga can put, you know, culture and tourism as one of the systematic pillars of his government that time. And I make you say all the plenty work where we do, I get big support from Oga Governor. So our own then to say, God bless us with heritage. He bless us with our culture. So now to raise awareness and let people value what God bless us with. Just the same way God constantly gave us our Oba, where they promote our culture where we're Omonobanedo, Obaeware the second. So now because that any small thing where I do, na boza. Any small thing we do na boza because the support there. So our heritage will go there. Governor tell me say even if na small village, go with press so that they go know the value and say government they support them. We constantly inaugurate culture club for secondary school so that our children for secondary school know the value of our culture. That one self come make it. As we get social club, dramatic club, and all those other ones, we come put culture club too, where we inaugurate for the 3 senatorial zones. Do you understand? So all those are to catch our children young. We do a bad drum festival, and every 6 years they do that one at that time. When they want to do that 2017, we government go get involved. You see what happen. Oba Igwe Festival, Oba Coronation, Oba Anniversary. You see the way government put body. Then all the festival for Isha, for Esako, for everywhere. And so when they travel, they go that time, go follow their drum. Then we'll come to Edo Fest 2017. We'll come to Edo Fest 2018. Do other culture. Then visit all those heritage sites where they talk about just now. Udo community, that Arua statue, we go there. Odigi River where Arua enter, we go there. To let the world know, to talk about the history. They will know a community. And those who say get born heritage sites, all those places. And plus the people who come from America, that time, when they come, we'll use social media, we'll receive them. To tell them, say, see our culture, we value and where we're. So thank God, Obaseki still there now as governor. I don't know who he want to put as commissioner for culture. That one is a decision. So whoever he put, make Edo people still support him. Make him make sure he get that courage and that mind to continue from where we stop. Yes, I guess more break, but we do a lot of things that time. Where we said that the first time where Edo State can host national festival for art and culture. For 40 years, since 40 years, we never host them, even as Bende State. And the 32nd edition, what we do for 2019, for under Governor Godwin Obaseki administration. And that can be the best because we get 32 states come out of 36. So even the people from Abuja, the chairman, the Director General, Otumba Olusegun Rosewe, talk and say this one are the best ever where we organized that time. So this now make us very proud. The whole world say, which one be this art and culture, art and culture, art and culture? So they come and say, come they put eye for there. Calabar Carnival during our Ewari first year anniversary, he said make I carry Calabar Carnival come. We carry the come, blend of culture. The whole world open mouth. So you see, say when we do that now first, the whole world see say Edo culture are the best. And the one they do for last year for Play 2, when I come to Tumba tell me say like child's play compared to what we do for Edo. Then they plan for Ekitina. I don't know whether Edo will go. I don't know how they want to plan it. But our own city records are the best. If you go now first Edo 2019, you will see all the activities where we do. So our youth don't know the value of our culture. Not just only culture to come celebrate. That time, we create job for promote tourism, for all the hoteliers. Because once event, they forbidden like that, the visitors, they come. Where do they stay in a hotel? So the people who do hotel business, they make money say their hotel full, and they will get money to buy diesel and get money to pay for staffs and maintain their hotel. The people wey dey sell pure water, ordinary people wey dey sell pure water go benefit because people visitors come, they go buy water, they go do even the ones wey dey transport, they go make money too. So you see, I said the value chain benefit not be here plenty when they talk about tourism. So and the Oyibo people want come look what we get, not be the beautiful skyscraper where they their country. They want come hear that history. They want come visit that Queen India statue. They want come where Queen India cook for Udo community, Udo warriors for Onome community. They want come see a Motan statue. They want come see Senede Ebon Cultural Center. They want come look those things where they read for book and where they hear. So my brother, our culture, we God take bless us is second to none. And we don't write many books. Our papa don't write many books. You know, say my papa na historian. He don't write plenty of books. He don't write so many things where we say we they share for people to read and write and learn from. So even the covers, the wood covers, they benefit. Igun Street that time for NAFES, we beautify and governor spend money, take fix the road, give them some money, they make sure say they do a lot of products where they sell during NAFES. Then look up our Keswa Cultural Center, where we say don't take dilapidated for a long time. Government fix them for NAFES. So there's so many benefits where we say we benefit during that time. Yes, ECOP Conde as I guess more while, but I'm back, fully back. You know, but my focus now, my focus now true now to let the world know what our boys they go through for them. Maybe the awareness what I want to do. Because even if I finish that protest next week for year, I dey go London, go do another protest for September for London, front of Italian embassy for London, to the same protest. So I don't set up, we don't meet some people with lawyers and all that. We don't get hashtag justice for the innocent Nigerians, innocent 416, Article 416Bs. So when they review their judicial process, they free those innocent people. The ones where they fight inside, where they sell marijuana, where they do something, where they prosecute them. But when they release one, because we don't get mafia.
Because of you, now, I said they don't review and because they'll pass another law for this September again now. People say they want to take repair most of the tissues, they go where?
Yes, so yes, when they release those boys, because their papa, their children, their wife, they suffer. I get the list of some of them, they talk to their women. Today, I even talk to some of them. I tell them, say, give them hope. Say, God, they fight their fight, not be me. And what did God say I go do for them? And I go to one.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now, you don't hear of those states are 30. Because
yes, so
as you hear
that, I did the forum, they see all the plenty good work that they do, and they talk to the sister, Dr. Loretta Ogbo. But you know, so I know the government, so I'm not going to involve myself fully. And you know, say this one now, some people, you know, as politics they be, my brother. So, but they talked for background to make my contribution, and I did very happy for the because they do very good work.
No,
you know,
the work put one place straight, one thing straight for them. If they talk, say, you know, say I'm not there for government. You're there for government. Because we're government. All of us will be saying here.
Now we. No, but you understand the official capacity.
I understand. I understand. But the thing when you get to understand this one too, they say, when they talk about Edo State, now, we're not talking about the political aspect.
Yes. You are correct.
Our people.
Yes.
And that is why urban land, they use this language, or people talk to people understand. Language means everybody fit here. Now I make us talk and say for here, we don't have big people. Now wait here, our mama from village, as we talk now, so it will put if that is small radio, it will honor, it will hear what we say with the talk. The issue now be say, when they talk Edo at 30, why I use that, why I bring that word come to say, Junda S, Commissioner of Art and Culture. Because we don't get person that way, so we'll go call the Kano. They can let you know that one. Because our Gaginiba, he never appoint anyone there, who for there. So any question what they want to ask now, they come back to you. You know if you dodge. No,
I did. No problem.
You don't that question. So now, when they hear now say Edo State are 30, and this one I will be saying most of the awareness I'm talking about just now, this Edo State are 30, what they say if they bring awareness. We say our people we don't understand before. You just bring one project come out now. I believe that this year, now you think of this project, of say we get to rescue these our innocent brothers and sisters.
Thank you. God bless you.
So take and come again and say, if I don't stay at 30, you know, wake up, can't so call it happen. You know, 50 come say, I go fight for this area for these people. So now, coming back again to this Edo State at 30, as a person will be saying, don't hold that seat, down for that seat, back. What will be your intake concerning Edo State at 30? Will be say, then they talk about the anniversary to celebrate this day. What do you think for the matter, personally?
No, but 30 years don't be small joke. Pikin when they born 30 years ago, we don't marry except get pikin. You know, and it's a good thing that Edo is transforming, Edo is progressing, and thank God for the governor what we get now. Because if we even look 2019 before election, when me and governor come London for the UK summit for 2019, I talk for there before governor entered the place, say work with support of God governor. By the time he do 8 years for office, and by the grace of God, thank God he win again now, that Edo will be transformed. And I meant last statement. So because, and I said, I talk and say, after that time, some of us we did for abroad, for diaspora, will relocate back home. So we need to support the governor. And thank God say this 30 years anniversary and a very good one. Like I talked before, even though I know they comment, I did some of the forum, especially the Edo at 30 forum, diaspora forum. And I like the beautiful work way that they do there. And for background, I make my comment and advice to my sister, Dr. Loretta Obo, and Joy and other people for there. So see what I think, see what I don't think. You know, because of waiting, I go through and waiting I try to do. So this one is very good. Like if they call, there's a committee they will governor already set up where they work on them. And I don't hear say they're not going to do it for this August because of COVID. So our governor said they go celebrate them when they do 1 year anniversary for November during Alago Daro. So now good thing. And at that time we'll still support, and I did grant now. Anyway with the fit so we'll still support. But it's good to say this now awareness. And I want to thank our brothers where we're for the diaspora where they say they can't carry the matter for her to make sure say they hold the state because now they get the state. Because if peace not did this state, we're not going to come home. If government the state not move forward, nobody will come home. And the same money come home every month or every year to support our family where they back home. So it's good. I like the approach. Say diaspora don't take our opponents. And even the last election, I know the role will be say diaspora play. I hear them say our brothers and our sisters for diaspora say no, we want to put these things in our hand, want to have our state in our hand, want to decide and not decide for government, which is very good. So going forward, who knows? Say after Obaseki or after the next administration, gradually, now people who don't even stay for diaspora will be there like now will come they rule the state. Because no matter how you look at it, now blessing for us, we say we don't live for abroad. The exposure what we get, the blessing and everything, and the boldness what we get, it must help us back home. But not be like Italy, because Italy, they're not let to integrate into the system. Then a lock-up system in place. So, maybe the judicial system, BRCB, and the way they say they behave like Arabs. So, my brothers and my sisters, they for there. Not beside they cost it out, but make them know what they talk. Because I don't visit it times. They're not even though when you get Italian passport. Even when you get a general passport, they'll say they ask you, we know where you come from. But you know they happen like that for London or America or other places. So I mean, we know the cooperation and the support where they come from Italy. Our brothers and sisters where they labor to make sure say they send money back home. You understand? So I want to thank you very much. I want to Oberland. God bless you. I want to go another meeting now.
We will leave you now because you don't try well. So next time, next time yes. We will invite you come again for another important matter.
One thing we I would just request, Honorable Commissioner, apart from the fact that yes. You say you get a list, and if you feel help us deliver to Oberland, we are very much. The list, I'll make copy, send out to you. Then the request we want to make, I will still send out to your email. The request to the Minister of Justice in Italy, the Minister of Foreign Affairs, the Internal Affairs, all the and the demand. I will forward them to now. So now I'll get copy and make una help us. Because I know say some people understand where they come from. And even this project, I not get any brother or any sister for inside this matter. But now my conscience now they follow, and I they follow will of God.
because these people, they not deserve to be prison. So Mona still continue to help me with that prayers. Mona supports me. I don't say make anybody bring $1 for me. I don't need money. I don't print 500 t-shirts now. I don't pay press. I know how much it don't cost me to do what they do, but I'm convinced that it is the right thing for humanity. So make una support me with prayers. Make una tell the brothers or sisters of those people where they there, where they feel the pains, may they join me. So that when we do this protest and they release those people, me personally go dissatisfied, say the 18 months where they go keep me there, not be for nothing, not they in vain, but for these people where God send me to go release. Because if not be say I be commissioner or God bless me with una, the support where I get and the prayers where I get my brother, I for not get them. I for dead there for 15 years, don't say he do the crime. So no human being deserve this punishment on earth and this modern day slavery where this people they put on us. I don't see different comment. People they curse me, say they cannot use my own to spoil their own. But I suffer for 18 months. My wife, my children, my parents, they suffer. Even when they talk lie about $2 million and all those things. My papa go into coma, 89 years old man. Now God save me, say I can't be the man for crime where say I not commit. So the same thing with the parents of these people where they so. The same thing with their wife and their children. I talked to 2 of their wives that and the one just put to bed. Imagine say born, the papa dey prison for crime we not commit. It's not done. So if we raise this awareness and they change their justice system, they not begin to pack Nigerians, they call them mafia. It will help. Because as they talk now, don't they pack names again where they want pack because they collect money from European Union. Every year they get list of people that they arrest. 50 Nigerians arrested for Nigerian, 17. What did they do? If all these will be mafia as their own Italian mafia be, that country will contain them. Eh? You not go see one gun, you not go see cocaine, you not go see 1 gram of drug, nothing. Now they do themselves. So don't be saying they're not they beat girls, which is very wrong. Our girls, those boys they maltreat some of them. It is very wrong. And if they catch those people, I bet may they arrest them, prosecute those ones. But not before Article 416
As some of them say they said drug.
You do
yes,
well.
so some of them they say drug. It is very wrong. They should arrest them and prosecute them for selling drugs. Whatever crime they are committed, my brother, let them arrest them and prosecute them according to the crime they are committing, but not the Article 416B. That is the difference. So that we don't mix it up.
You do well.
Even the cultism that they call them, they don't commit the crime, the organized crime of that Article 416B with a lot of fundamental human rights abuses. It is not committed. My case is a case. It's proven.
You do well. So now
God bless you.
Turn Oberland Magazine and TV for this matter. We say that they do so. We say concern our people for all over the world.
I don't first say they do very good job. For me to give you 1 hour of my time, I'll be 1 hour plus now. You should know say I respect you and I value you. So I want to thank you so much for the work we do. Continue to do the good work. God will continue to bless you. And any way we can support, when we don't take government, whatever you need from us for support, financially and morally, we will do it. Okay? God bless you, my brother.
You do well. So
Bakari, keep in touch.
Okay, yes. I'll get the number from Mosigo, Mr. Mosigo.
God bless you.
No, this time we don't put engage.
We go now. Let me rush. Go where we say they go. You know, come like say we use our own to consider you for here too. So next time, we say it concern our people for all over the world. Most you put that for your mind. Despite say you not there for the seat now. Remember, another person never did there. Anything we they look for, your phone will still ring. We will still call you, ask you the question we're supposed to ask the person. When we say call later day there. So we say you really try. When we say you really take the vote this time for Oberland TV, take the speech to us. So my people, when I don't hear them today now, I don't hear from the horse's mouth, and I don't say I'm saying everything we say in they tell us, it to come as the matter supposed to be. So I beg for those of you now when we say in the begin to follow us on our Facebook, our Instagram, our Twitter, our YouTube, make them do so now. Today, now we don't finish with our big brother, the commissioner, ex-commissioner of art and culture. He don't use market talk for our people. Things we say they're supposed to do. He doesn't let them know. Say this one are the area we're supposed to fight for our people. So my people will say, when I do well, we will say, when I take the seat to us today.